Hi guys, welcome back. So I have a new project. This is Daytona 675 2013-14, I don't remember the exact number. So it's one of my friend's bike and he dropped it in the track day. So I have to do everything again. So mostly the damage is right side, not on the left side. Left side is completely perfect. The right side, the headlight is completely cracked. The bracket is cracked right here. The frame bracket which holds everything, it's twisted and cracked. Then on the right side, I think I need the right side fairing. I already ordered almost all the fairings. Frame is good, forks are good. I already checked the forks. Rim is good. So yeah, so I will start the build series soon. Probably today or tomorrow I will start removing the fairing. And here the master cylinder broke, so I have to buy a new master cylinder too. That's pain in the ass. Yeah. Let's see. I'll do whatever it needs. The grips are cut. Yep, the grips are cut. I need to order new grips too. A lot of things are going to get new, but on this side, nothing major. Only this fairing got a little bit scratch right here, scratch here, nothing major here. The rear set, nothing. That side rear set, nothing. It still folds up, so it's mostly got folded up in the crash. Tank is imperfect, no scratch, nothing. Just here a little bit. Sorry, here a little bit, but can be touched up. That's nothing. But the side fairing is completely done. A lot of scratches, a lot of shit, and the engine case. Nothing new. I think it's fixable, and I might remove the headlight now. The headlight looks horrible. I will do it today. I will do it now. And let's do it now. Okay, everything is out. Nothing major. Still, I have to remove the LEDs. Are a lot of dirt, so I have to clean it anyways. I don't give a shit about the LEDs. Bracket. So this is done. Both side fairings are off. I have this brand new, so I'm not going to remove it because I have to fix the fairings. This side is fixable, just scratches, so I will fix it. And all the new stuff is there already. So yeah, lot of dirt came out. Radiator is okay, didn't damage the radiator. Forks are okay, damage is not there. Master cylinder already ordered a new one. So yeah, pretty much done. This is just the cover, so I'll buy a new cover. That's it. This side I will leave it like this. Okay, I will see you on the next one. I will continue on the next part.